After many years of building insane desk PCs, we've experimented with countless themes, but we've never built anything quite like this. Lian Li's got wood, and with Gigabyte introducing their new wooden hardware, we knew we had to push this idea all the way. We're creating a fully water-cooled wooden desk setup where the PC and the workspace become one. This is the brand new DK07X wooden edition from Lian Li. Originally a dual system, however, we've converted it into a single system. With dual system, you'd have one motherboard tray on this side with the power supply there. Then you'd have a second one here with the power supply there, although of course I've blocked that off with the included panels because we're going for a single system today. Now by implementing a single system, it also opens up more radiator space, so we can fit a 360 here, a 360 here, a 360 right here, and a 360 right here. We also have room for 2 extra fans to be installed at the side there and another 2 extra fans at the side here. So we have plenty of space to make this very unique. You can see that the I/O for one system is at the front here, and then the I/O for the second one over here. We also have up and down and Qi charging, which is pretty cool. It's certainly going to be a very unique build. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get into it. Today's motherboard we're using today is the X3D Aero dark wood. The only thing that's bugging me right now is the desk is made of walnut. So is the LIGNUM CPU block that we're going to be using. However, this wood is a different kind of color. However, I'm still going to roll with it because it's the only wooden accent stuff that we do have. And we're going to be pairing it with the 9800 X3D. But the thing I really love about this motherboard is how user-friendly it is. Let me show you guys. Little latch here, you can do this one-handed to remove that. Little latch down the bottom, you can do this one-handed, pull the tab, remove the whole thing. The GPU, simply press the quick release button here and you can take the GPU straight out. I'm super excited to see how this all turns out. Let's get building. So I have tried everything to get these fans to work. These ones here, they're working, but they're not connecting with the L-Connect software. And I've been trying to do local updates and everything. I just cannot get them to show up. I've tried changing the USB around on the motherboard. You can see that one fan here is yellow. None of these LCDs are displaying. I can't get the LEDs to work on this far fan. So to save all of this hassle, I am just going to switch them out to match these other fans. I think that's the easiest thing to do, because my initial plan was to actually have some walnut images on these screens, so it looked like there was a little bit more wood inside the desk, but that's okay. Let's get them switched out.
Gigabyte sent over their MO32U 24 gaming monitor, and it's an awesome display for both gaming and content creation. It's a 32-inch 4K QD OLED monitor with super smooth 240Hz refresh rate and an incredibly fast 0.03 millisecond response time, so games look buttery smooth and responsive. The OLED panel delivers amazing contrast and vibrant colors, plus it supports display HDR True Black 400 for an incredible HDR experience. If you want a premium 4K gaming monitor, then this one's definitely worth checking out.